Dear students of class 8th, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will go through the introduction of cell and the discovery of the cell. All of us have seen the plants like marigold, sunflower, cabbage, mushroom, mango, etc. We have also seen the animals like cow, horse, camel, lion, butterfly, grasshopper, and many others. In fact, there is a large variety of organisms, plants, and animals around us. They have different shape and size. The food habits and the habitats are also different. And in spite of great variation in the size, shape, food habits, and habitats, all the living organisms have a basic similarity among them. That is, they are made up of tiny units called cells. Thus, in biology, cells are the structural and functional unit of life. In order to understand the structure and the functioning of an organism, we should know the structure of cell and the functions of various parts of the cell. Now, now let us go through the discovery of the cell. In 1665, an English scientist, Robert Hooke, used a microscope to investigate the structures of a thin sliced cork. He observed that the cork has tiny compartments. Robert Hooke thought of these compartments as small rooms and called them cells, because cells are the smaller rooms in which the prisoners are locked up or in which the monks and nuns sleep. From this observation, Robert Hooke concluded that the cork is made up of tiny cells. The dead plant cells of cork observed by Robert Hooke was found to be empty. The microscope used by the Robert Hooke was primitive. When better microscopes having great magnifying power were made, scientists investigate pieces of living plants and found that, like cork, they also had the cell structure. The living plant cells were, however, not empty like cork. They were found to contain a number of tiny structures like uh, tiny structures called cell organelles. In 1838, a German scientist, Schleiden, suggested that all plants are made up of cells. A year later, another German scientist, Sequin, suggested that all plants are made of cells. This observation led to the general cell theory of organism. The cell theory states that the basic unit of structure and function of all living organism is cell. All cells arise from pre-existing cells by cell division.